Hello, my name is Teacher Bell and welcome to another tips, review, and tutorial. So today we are going to look at an app that's very useful for tracking our phone devices and the whereabouts of our family. So have you ever heard of Life 360? This is what we're going to talk about. So when you go to the App Store or Google Play Store, you just search Life 360 and there you go. Since I downloaded it already, I just need to update it, but we'll do that later. So let's take a look at the benefits and advantages of this Life 360 Find Family and Friends. Now if you're not an iPhone user, you can use this for your Android phone, because iPhones usually have their Find My device. So look at all the advantages of Life 360, but let me just read this part. For Life 360, you can view the real-time location of friends or family members. You can receive real-time alerts when your family members arrive or leave home, work, and school. You can actually share photos and text messages with a secure private chat. You can see also the past location, and you can, of course, this is the most important thing, you can track a lost or stolen phone. So let's take a look at the feature of this one. Now, this is a free app, but if you want to unlock the other features, then you can sign up for the paid membership. Now, when you go to the app, you'll find here a drop-down arrow at the middle. This is where you can create a circle. So that's where you can ask people to join your circle so you can track their devices. So each of you can see the same view from each of your phones. So I have created my circle already, and if you look at the bottom, you'll see here all my family members. So since I am the host, I have the option to add a family member. So if you add a member, you just click this one at the top right, and those family members will have to download Life 360 as well on their phones, and then they will have to join using this code in order for them to be included in your circle. So there you go. So you can either copy this one and send it to them, or you can directly send it from here. So send code, and you can share it in any platform. But there, so once they downloaded it, they can click the drop down arrow also, and then they'll click the join a circle, and they will have to enter the code, click submit, and automatically they will be added to your circle. So there you go. For example, my son here, so it's a real-time device locator, and the good thing about this, which is I like the most, is that it tells you their phone battery percentage. So it's just kind of an advantage, because then you will be able to remind them to charge their cell phones. Now if it's dead bad, it will record the last location of the cell phone, of the phone or of the device. So there you go. Now let's try this one. If you are also in a transportation business, you can do this if you have driver employees. Now at the bottom, you can see where they have been. Okay, look at that. And if you want to track their speed, the summary of their driving, you can click this buttons here, but then this is a paid feature. But if you don't necessarily use that, then you don't have to pay for it. So again, that's the Life 360. It's very useful because you can also send messages directly using the chat button. So there you go. And it gives you update also if they are below 10%. If their battery is below 10%, it gives you a notification. It also gives you notification if they finished a drive or if they change location. So some say this is a privacy issue, but then again, before they can be added in your circle, you will have to get their consent to be added. So it's very useful for family. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.